Game changer, BYD's new Super E-Platform promises 1 megawatt charging power in 4,000 stations across China. Introduction. On March 17, 2025, BYD, a prominent Chinese electric vehicle EV manufacturer, made headlines with the launch of its innovative Super E-Platform. This platform is set to transform the landscape of EV charging by introducing a groundbreaking 1,000 kilowatts 1 megawatt fast charging capability supported by an extensive network of over 4,000 supercharging stations planned throughout China. This unveiling marks a significant leap in EV technology, highlighting BYD's commitment to advancing sustainable transportation solutions. Overview of the Super E-Platform. The Super E-Platform represents BYD's latest advancements in EV technology, focusing on ultra-fast charging and high performance. At the core of this platform is the redesigned Blade battery technology, which allows for an impressive charging multiplier of up to 10C. This means that the battery can be fully charged in approximately 6 minutes. A feat that positions BYD at the forefront of the EV market. The platform supports charging voltages of up to 1,000 volts and charging currents of up to 1,000 amps, allowing for the unprecedented 1,000 kilowatts charging power. This places BYD's supercharger technology ahead of competitors, including Tesla's V4 supercharger, which has a peak power of 500 kilowatts. Notably, BYD's supercharger can add 400 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes, making it a game changer for EV users who prioritize convenience and efficiency. Infrastructure development. To support this revolutionary charging capability, BYD plans to construct over 4,000 supercharging stations across China. These stations will incorporate energy storage systems, enabling the delivery of high charging power even in areas where power supply is limited. This strategic rollout aims to ensure that EV owners have access to reliable and fast charging options, enhancing the overall ownership experience. The Han L and Tang L models. The first vehicles to utilize the Super E-Platform are the Han L EV Sedan and the Tang L EV SUV. Both models are currently available for pre-sale as of March 17, 2025, with an official launch scheduled for early April. The Han L EV is priced between 270,000 renminbi and 350,000 renminbi, approximately $37,330 to $49,000, while the Tang L EV ranges from 280,000 renminbi to 360,000 renminbi. Performance-wise, the Han L EV boasts an impressive acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.7 seconds, while the Tang L EV achieves this in 3.6 seconds. These specifications place both models among the fastest in their categories, showcasing BYD's dedication to performance and innovation. Advanced technology integration. In addition to their powerful engines, the Han L and Tang L models are equipped with BYD's God's EV smart driving system, which features advanced LiDAR technology for improved driving capabilities. This system enhances safety and navigational accuracy, positioning BYD as a leader in the integration of autonomous driving technologies in electric vehicles. Furthermore, BYD is also accepting reservations for hybrid variants of these models, which will utilize the latest DM hybrid technology. This hybrid technology enhances fuel efficiency and performance, appealing to a broader range of consumers looking for versatile transportation options. Innovative electric motor. A standout feature of the Super E-Platform is its high-performance electric motor, which can reach up to 30,511 revolutions per minute (RPM). This makes it the fastest mass-produced motor in the world, with a peak power output of 580 kilowatts, surpassing the performance of traditional combustion engines. The motor's power density is rated at 16.4 kilowatts per kilogram, the highest in the industry, highlighting BYD's commitment to delivering high-performance electric vehicles. To facilitate the operation of this powerful motor, BYD has developed a new generation of silicon carbide power chips capable of handling voltages up to 1,500 volts. This technological advancement further enhances the efficiency and performance of BYD's electric vehicles. Conclusion. BYD's launch of the Super E-Platform on March 17, 2025 signifies a pivotal moment in the electric vehicle landscape. With its groundbreaking 1 megawatt charging capability, a robust infrastructure rollout, and advanced vehicle models like the Tang L and Tang L, BYD is poised to reshape the future of electric mobility. The commitment to rapid charging solutions and innovative technology underscores BYD's leadership in the EV market and its dedication to promoting sustainable transportation solutions. As the electric vehicle industry continues to evolve, BYD's Super E-Platform sets a new standard for charging performance and infrastructure, paving the way for a more accessible and efficient electric future in China and beyond. The announcement of BYD's Super E-Platform presents several counterintuitive aspects regarding the evolution of electric vehicle EV technology and market dynamics. Here are some of the notable counterintuitive elements. 1. Megawatt charging power. Traditionally, charging power for EVs has been measured in kilowatts kW, with most rapid chargers peaking at around 350 kilowatts. BYD's leap to 1000 kilowatts 1 megawatt may initially seem excessive or unnecessary. However, this shift signifies a breakthrough not just in charging speed but also in the infrastructure needed to support such capabilities. The counterintuitive realization here is that as battery technology advances, the demand for faster charging will grow, making 1 megawatt charging not just beneficial but essential for future EV adoption. 2. Enhanced battery technology. BYD's use of blade battery technology, which allows for ultra-fast charging, is another counterintuitive development. While the industry has been focusing on extending battery life and range, BYD is prioritizing the speed of charging. This shift challenges the conventional wisdom that longer charging times are an acceptable trade-off for battery longevity and range, suggesting that consumer preferences might pivot towards faster charging solutions even at the expense of some traditional battery performance metrics. 3. Charging infrastructure and energy storage. The integration of energy storage systems with supercharging stations to maintain high charging power levels challenges the perception that charging infrastructure must solely rely on the grid's capacity. By creating a network that supports high-capacity charging in areas with limited power availability, BYD is essentially redefining the business model for EV charging infrastructure. This approach implies that the future of charging may involve localized energy solutions rather than dependence on centralized grid enhancements, which could be a game changer for how EVs are integrated into existing energy systems. For market positioning against Tesla, BYD's announcement places it in direct competition with Tesla, particularly regarding charging power and technology. While Tesla has been the dominant player in the EV market, the launch of BYD's 1 megawatt supercharger technology, which outpaces Tesla's 500 kilowatts V4 supercharger, could shift consumer perceptions. Many might assume that Tesla, as a pioneer in EVs, would maintain its lead in charging technology. However, BYD's advancements suggest that established players can quickly innovate and disrupt the market, emphasizing that leadership in technology is not a static position. 5. High-performance electric motors. The introduction of a motor capable of 511 RPM and 580 kilowatts of peak power contradicts the notion that electric vehicle performance must be limited by battery capacity and thermal management issues. This motor's specifications indicate that high-performance electric vehicles can exceed the capabilities of traditional combustion engines, challenging the preconceived notion that EVs are inherently less powerful than their gas counterparts. This reveals a potential shift in consumer expectations where performance and sustainability can coexist, further blurring the lines between traditional performance vehicles and electric alternatives. 6. Consumer acceptance of price points. The pre-sale prices for the Tang L and Tang L models, ranging from approximately $37,330 to $49,000, might seem steep for mass-market vehicles. However, the significant technological advancements and performance metrics could justify these prices to consumers, especially given the rapid acceleration capabilities and ultra-fast charging. This challenges the assumption that consumers are only willing to pay a premium for luxury brands. indicating that innovative technology can attract buyers across different market segments. 7. Hybrid variants in a fully electric future. The acceptance of hybrid models like the Han LDM and Tang LDM alongside fully electric versions may seem contradictory in an era where all electric vehicles are becoming more mainstream. However, it suggests a strategic acknowledgement that not all consumers are ready to transition entirely to electric. This dual offering might cater to a broader audience, easing the transition to fully electric vehicles while still promoting sustainable technology. In conclusion, BYD's Super E-Platform and its associated technologies highlight several counterintuitive trends in the EV market that challenge existing norms and expectations. As the industry evolves, these innovations indicate a shift towards more rapid adoption of electric vehicles driven by advancements in charging technology, battery performance, and consumer preferences. BYD's introduction of the Super E-Platform is a monumental step in electric vehicle EV technology, and while many aspects of this development have garnered attention, several critical elements are likely to be overlooked. Here are the significant elements of this report along with their implications for the future of electric mobility and the automotive industry at large. 1. The 1 megawatt charging power and infrastructure development. The announcement that BYD will provide 1 megawatt 1000 kilowatts fast charging capability is a game changer for the EV market. This charging power not only exceeds Tesla's current offerings but also signals the dawn of the megawatt charging era. Many people might overlook the broader implications of this development, such as how it could reshape consumer behavior regarding EV adoption. The ability to charge an EV in approximately 6 minutes fundamentally alters the convenience factor associated with electric vehicles. This rapid turnaround time could diminish range anxiety, a significant barrier to EV adoption. Furthermore, the plan to establish over 4,000 supercharging stations across China will enhance infrastructure availability, which is pivotal for widespread acceptance of EVs. A robust charging network can reinforce BYD's market position and potentially lead to increased sales as consumer confidence in charging accessibility grows. 2. Blade battery technology and charging multipliers. BYD's use of redesigned blade batteries capable of supporting a 10C charging multiplier is another component that deserves attention. This technology allows for faster charging by improving ion transfer in the electrolyte and reducing resistance. While the focus tends to be on the charging speed, the underlying battery technology is just as significant. The 10C multiplier indicates that the battery can be fully charged in 1/10 of an hour or about 6 minutes. This capability rests on advanced materials and engineering, showcasing BYD's commitment to innovation. Overlooking this aspect means missing the potential for other manufacturers to be inspired by or adopt similar technologies, leading to a competitive arms race in battery development. 3. High-performance electric motor. The announcement of a high-performance electric motor capable of reaching 30,511 RPM is a remarkable achievement in engineering. This motor not only has a peak power of 580 kilowatts but also boasts a power density of 16.4 kilowatts per kilogram, the highest industry standard. Such performance metrics are often overshadowed by discussions of charging capabilities and battery life. Yet they are crucial for understanding the overall performance of the vehicle. The implications of this motor's performance extend beyond just numbers. They speak to the potential for EVs to compete with traditional vehicles in terms of speed and efficiency. The acceleration figures, 2.7 seconds for the Han L and 3.6 seconds for the Tang L, illustrate that BYD is not just focused on utility but also on creating a thrilling driving experience. 4. Integration of smart technologies. BYD's God's EV smart driving system, which incorporates LiDAR technology, is another innovative aspect that might not receive due attention. The integration of such advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS) is critical for enhancing safety and user experience in electric vehicles. As the automotive industry shifts towards autonomous driving, The inclusion of sophisticated technologies like LiDAR may position BYD as a front-runner in the EV market. Overlooking this development could lead to underestimating BYD's potential to attract tech-savvy consumers who prioritize safety and innovation. 5. Energy storage integration with superchargers. The plan to integrate energy storage systems with the 1,000 kilowatt superchargers is a strategic move that deserves more emphasis. This setup allows for maintaining high charging power even in areas with lower power capacity, addressing a crucial concern about the viability of rapid charging infrastructure in less developed regions. This aspect highlights BYD's foresight in ensuring that their charging stations can operate efficiently in diverse environments. It also points to the potential for renewable energy integration at these charging stations, making them more sustainable. The significance of this cannot be understated, as it aligns with global trends towards sustainable energy practices and could set a precedent for future charging infrastructure developments. 6. Market positioning and competitive landscape. BYD's aggressive rollout of the Super E-Platform and its first models, the Han L and Tang L, signify a strategic positioning against competitors like Tesla. The pricing range of 270,000 renminbi to 360,000 renminbi, approximately $37,330 to $49,000, is competitive, and the high performance of these vehicles positions them well within the premium EV segment. However, the competitive landscape is not just about pricing and performance, it's also about how quickly and effectively BYD can establish its brand as synonymous with rapid charging and cutting-edge technology. Many analysts may overlook the potential for this positioning to influence market dynamics significantly, especially as global competition in the EV space intensifies. 7. Global implications and future trends. Lastly, the significance of BYD's Super E-Platform extends beyond China. As the company aims to solidify its leadership in the EV market, its innovations could influence global trends in electric mobility, charging infrastructure, and battery technology. Other manufacturers worldwide may feel pressured to accelerate their own developments in response to BYD's advancements, leading to a faster-paced evolution of EV technology. This ripple effect could enhance the overall market, potentially leading to lower prices, improved technology, and greater consumer choice. Conclusion. BYD's unveiling of the Super E-Platform is not merely an announcement of new products, it represents a pivotal moment in the evolution of electric vehicles. The interplay of advanced charging technology, high-performance electric motors, and smart systems underscores the company's commitment to innovation. By recognizing the significance of these developments, stakeholders, be they consumers, investors, or competitors, can better appreciate the broader implications for the future of electric mobility and sustainable transportation solutions. Overlooking these facets could mean missing out on understanding the potential shifts in the automotive landscape that BYD is poised to influence. 1. Revolutionary charging technology. BYD's Super E-Platform introduces a groundbreaking 1 megawatt fast charging capability, enabling a full battery charge in approximately 6 minutes. This technology, which allows for a charging multiplier of up to 10C, significantly enhances the EV user experience by drastically reducing charging times. The supercharging stations, with over 4,000 planned across China, incorporate energy storage systems to ensure consistent high charging power, even in areas with lower power capacity. This leap into the megawatt era of charging power not only positions BYD ahead of competitors like Tesla but also sets a new industry standard. 2. High-performance electric motor. The Super E-Platform also features a high-performance electric motor capable of reaching up to 30,511 RPM, making it the fastest mass-produced motor in the world. This motor's peak power of 580 kilowatts surpasses that of traditional combustion engines and is supported by advanced silicon carbide power chips rated for up to 1,500 volts. The high power density of 16.4 kilowatts per kilogram showcases BYD's technological advancements, which may redefine performance metrics in electric vehicles and enhance the appeal of EVs to performance-oriented consumers. 3. Integration of advanced technologies. The introduction of BYD's God's EV smart driving system, which includes LiDAR for enhanced driving capabilities, exemplifies the integration of cutting-edge technology into their new models. The Han L and Tang L EVs not only boast rapid acceleration but also offer advanced safety and driving assistance features, indicating BYD's commitment to innovation in both performance and safety. Furthermore, the availability of hybrid variants signifies BYD's strategy to cater to a broader market, appealing to both fully electric and hybrid vehicle consumers. For strategic positioning in the EV market, BYD's ambitious rollout of charging infrastructure and its innovative vehicle technology aims to solidify its position as a leader in the global electric vehicle market. By launching the Super E-Platform and its accompanying models, BYD not only addresses consumer pain points related to charging times and range anxiety but also strategically positions itself against established competitors like Tesla. The pre-sale prices of the Han L and Tang L models reflect competitive pricing strategies that may attract a wider customer base, further enhancing BYD's market share in the rapidly growing EV sector. Here are 3 famous historical cases that illustrate significant advancements in technology and infrastructure that changed the landscape of their respective industries. 1. The introduction of the assembly line by Henry Ford, 1913. In 1913, Henry Ford revolutionized the manufacturing industry with the introduction of the moving assembly line for the production of automobiles. This innovation drastically reduced the time taken to produce a car, enabling Ford to lower prices and make cars more accessible to the general public. The assembly line allowed for mass production, which not only transformed Ford's business but also influenced manufacturing processes in various industries worldwide. By standardizing parts and streamlining production, Ford's method enhanced efficiency and productivity, setting a new standard for industrial manufacturing. The Model T became a symbol of this era as it made automobile ownership possible for many Americans, fundamentally altering transportation and society. 2. The launch of the Interstate Highway System, 1956. The Federal Aid Highway Act of 1956 marked the beginning of the construction of the interstate highway system in the United States. This ambitious project aimed to create a network of controlled access highways that would facilitate the movement of people and goods across the country. The interstate system not only revolutionized road travel, making it faster and safer, but it also had profound economic implications. It allowed for the rapid growth of suburbs, increased access to jobs, and transformed the logistics and transportation industries. The highway system spurred economic growth and reshaped the American landscape, enabling the development of commerce and trade on an unprecedented scale. 3. The unveiling of the Internet, 1983. The introduction of the Internet Protocol Suite (TCP/IP) in 1983 marked a pivotal moment in the evolution of digital communication. This set of protocols allowed different computer networks to interconnect and communicate with each other, laying the foundation for the modern Internet. Initially used by academic and government institutions, the Internet rapidly expanded to the general public, leading to a digital revolution that transformed communication, commerce, entertainment, and information sharing. The rise of the World Wide Web in the early 1990s further accelerated this transformation, leading to the information age. The Internet has since become a critical infrastructure for global connectivity, impacting virtually every aspect of modern life and economy. These historical cases reflect how technological innovations can act as game changers, reshaping industries and society in profound ways, similar to the anticipated impact of BYD's Super E-Platform on the electric vehicle market. BYD's introduction of the Super E-Platform marks a significant turning point in the electric vehicle EV industry, particularly in the realm of charging technology. As we look towards the future, several predictions can be made regarding the impact of this groundbreaking innovation on the EV landscape, consumer behavior, and the broader energy market. 1. Rapid adoption of EVs. With the introduction of 1 megawatt charging power and a vast network of over 4,000 supercharging stations, We can expect a substantial increase in the adoption of electric vehicles in China and potentially globally. The ability to charge a vehicle in approximately 6 minutes will address one of the primary concerns potential EV buyers have: charging time. This convenience could encourage more consumers to transition from traditional combustion engine vehicles to electric alternatives. 2. Increased competition in the EV market. As BYD sets a new benchmark with its Super E-Platform, competition among EV manufacturers will intensify. Companies like Tesla, which currently lead the market, will need to innovate further to keep pace with BYD's advancements. This could lead to a faster overall evolution of EV technology, with rival manufacturers likely developing their own high-power charging solutions and enhancing battery technologies to maintain market share. 3. Infrastructure development and urban planning. The rollout of over 4,000 supercharging stations will not only facilitate EV adoption but will also influence urban planning and infrastructure development. Cities may prioritize installing EV charging infrastructure, integrating it into public transport hubs, shopping centers, and residential areas. This could lead to a shift in city design, promoting greener urban environments and making EVs more accessible to the public. 4. Enhanced energy storage and management solutions. BYD's supercharging stations are designed to include energy storage systems which can help manage demand and supply in the grid. As the demand for fast charging increases, the need for innovative energy management solutions will grow. This can lead to advancements in battery storage technologies and smart grid solutions, allowing for optimal energy distribution and usage. 5. Environmental impact and policy changes. The transition to faster EV charging and increased adoption of electric vehicles will likely have significant environmental benefits. With a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions from the transportation sector, governments may be more inclined to support policies that promote EV usage, such as tax incentives, subsidies, and stricter emissions regulations for traditional vehicles. This could accelerate the shift towards sustainable transportation. 6. Technological advancements in battery technology. The use of blade batteries with a 10C charging multiplier heralds a new era in battery technology. As research and development continue, we can expect further advancements in battery chemistry, leading to even faster charging times and longer ranges. This may also result in cost reductions per kilowatt-hour, making EVs more affordable for the average consumer. 7. Integration of AI and smart features. With the introduction of advanced driving systems like BYD's God's EV, the future of EVs will likely see a greater integration of artificial intelligence and smart features. This will enhance the driving experience, improve safety, and provide drivers with more autonomous capabilities. As technology advances, consumers will expect more from their vehicles, driving manufacturers to innovate continuously. 8. Global expansion of charging networks. While BYD is initially focusing on China, the success of the Super E-Platform could catalyze a global expansion of charging networks. Other countries may look to replicate BYD's model, leading to a more interconnected global EV infrastructure. This could facilitate long-distance travel for EVs and bolster international collaboration on EV technology and infrastructure. 9. Shift in consumer preferences. As EV technology becomes more advanced and convenient, consumer preferences will likely shift significantly. The perception of electric vehicles as a viable and preferable alternative to traditional vehicles will be solidified. Features like ultra-fast charging and high-performance electric motors will attract performance-oriented consumers who previously may have favored combustion engines. 10. Long-term sustainability goals. Finally, the advancements brought by BYD's Super E-Platform will align with broader sustainability goals. As nations strive to meet climate targets, the push for electrification in transportation will become more critical. BYD's innovations will not only contribute to reducing carbon footprints but will also inspire other sectors to adopt sustainable practices. Conclusion: BYD's Super E-Platform represents a monumental step forward in the electric vehicle landscape, and its impacts will be felt across various sectors. From accelerating EV adoption and fostering competition to influencing urban planning and promoting sustainability, the future looks promising for the electric mobility revolution. As the technology continues to evolve, it will shape the way society approaches transportation, energy consumption, and environmental responsibility.